Hello again, everybody. Welcome to our eBay box break. This is for the 2012-2013 Upper Deck Series 1 box break number 1. Here's the last game up for auction. There's Edmonton. Serial number is NE189443-140. Let's get on with the break. Best of luck, everybody. So while I'm doing this, I'll show the cards, but I won't say base for every single base card, just so you guys know. But I will, when it's a hit, I'll stop and show the card. Here we go. And I'm just going to keep on an angle like this as well, not keep going like this and that. So you have an MVP card for the Flyers of Scott Hartnell. I have a Young Guns for the Leafs of UC Rhinus. We have an Upper Deck Canvas checklist. This is going to be randomized at the end between the Penguins, the Lightning, and the Flyers. I have a Hockey Heroes card for the Canadiens of Guy Lafleur. We have a Silver Skates card for the Oilers of Jordan Eberle. We have a Young Guns card for the Hurricanes of Jeremy Welsh. We have a Silver Skates card for the Bruins of Patrice Bergeron. We have a Young Guns card for the Kings of Jordan Nolan. We have an MVP card for the Blue Jackets of Jack Johnson. We have an Upper Deck Canvas card for the Red Wings of Henrik Zetterberg. We have a Young Guns card for the Ducks of Matt Clark. The MVP card for the Bruins of Brad Marchand. We have an Upper Deck exclusive card for the Jets of Alexander Burmistrov, 12 out of 100. We have an Upper Deck canvas card for the Sharks of Joe Pavelski. We have a nice hit for the Rangers, a Young Guns card of Chris Kreider. Nice hit for New York. We have a jersey card for the Sabres of Drew Stafford. We have a Signature Sensations hit for the Flames of Matt Stajan. We have a jersey card for the Coyotes of Michael Bodker. We have an MVP card for the Lightning of Steven Stamkos. We have a Young Guns card for the Avalanche of Mike Connolly. We have an Upper Deck canvas card for the Devils of Martin Brodeur. And the last pack. I have a Hockey Heroes card for the Islanders of Brian Trottier. So let me just set up the random for the canvas checklist. 1 second. So I'm going to randomize it 3 times. There's Pittsburgh, Tampa Bay, and Philadelphia. So there's 1, 2, and 3. So the checklist card goes to Philadelphia. So thank you very much again, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.